Yeah, there it is.
Okay.
What happens outside when it gets late? Long about midnight, the ghosts and banshees get together for the midnight jamboree. There's ghosts with horns and saucer eyes, some with fangs about this size. Some short and fat, some tall and thin, some don't even bother to wear their skin. I'm telling you, brother, it's a right sight to see in the night.
When spooks have a midnight jamboree, they'll break it up with Headless Street. Ghosts are bad, but the one that's cursed is the Headless Horseman. He's the worst. When he goes jogging across the land, holding his noggin in his hand, he must take one look and run the roads for parts unknown. Spook like spurn, they don't like that early burn. Swears to the longest day he's lived, he'll show them that he can get ahead.
You kids be good, stay at home the way that you should. It's right outside and waiting there is the Headless Horseman.